Hi, my name's Hannah Sturba, and I want to tell you about an exciting event happening this December. It's the Chicago Youth Symphony Orchestra's Double Workshop, and it's a day of events dedicated to double reed and double bass students. The workshop is for all levels of oboe, bassoon, and double bass students ages 10 to 18. So what's going on at the workshop? Well, I hope that you will sign up to play in one of our many masterclasses. However, if you don't want to play, that's okay too. You can always just come and observe. In fact, you're welcome to come to the workshop whether you just started playing your instrument or whether you're an advanced student who's been playing for many years. One of the things that I'm really excited about is that every year we try to hire different clinicians. So if you came to the workshop last year, this year it will be completely different. And next year it will be completely different too. You'll get to meet lots of professionals who play your instrument and get some new perspectives every year. One of the other opportunities at the workshop is our Orchestral Excerpt competition, which is a completely optional activity. Check out this year's competition excerpts, which are posted online. How it works is you play the excerpts for our panel of judges, one bass player, one bassoon player, and one oboist. The panel will choose one winner in each instrument category and possibly some runner-ups too. They will also choose students to play the 3 competition excerpts again in their afternoon masterclass. Every year we have fantastic prizes donated from double reed and double bass companies for our competition winners. However, everyone gets comments and everyone gets an opportunity to get some great auditioning experience in a friendly and relaxed environment. So I really hope you'll go for it. At the very end of the day, we're going to put together a big crazy ensemble of everyone playing together. This year, we're going to play Waltz of the Flowers from the Nutcracker. Parts are posted online, so please download the part that best matches your skill level and learn it before the workshop. We need people playing all of the parts, so don't worry if you can't play the hardest part. Pick the one that's the most comfortable for you. And as in years past, this year there will also be awesome goodie bags for all of our event attendees, and there will also be an opportunity to get a free ticket to attend the Chicago Symphony Orchestra concert that evening. So please round up your oboe, bassoon, and double bass friends and mark your calendars for the Double workshop. I hope to see you there.